What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing to you some methods on how to make money online. As you know, guys, you probably search make money online on YouTube. There are just ridiculous amounts of videos all telling you you're going to make so much money per day. What they forget to tell you is it's a lot of work most of the time. And so in this video, I'm wanting to go ahead and show you some more passive kind of ways. It still is going to require some work up front, but the outcome is going to eventually provide you some passive income. But I just want to go ahead and get straight into it. Please feel free to check out some of these videos here. I use a variety of different products and services, and if I enjoy them, I like to share them with you guys. Lux Algos definitely want to check out. If you're looking to get into crypto, stocks, indices, currencies, commodities, all that, check out the link in the description so you can get involved with Lux Algo trading indicators, buy and sell signals, guys. It is a big game changer. Helps you with advanced trading as well as beginner trading. Get those little, indicators letting you know, hey, time to buy, time to sell, good idea of the market as a whole. So go ahead and check it out. By the way, let's go ahead and look straight away. So I wanted to show you basically, guys, if you're interested in any topic whatsoever across the board, there is a way for you to make money online. And one of the biggest ways is with YouTube. So with that being said, let's get in straight into it. I want to go ahead and tell you about this. So I happen to like coffee jazz. It's just something I like. I don't know. I always search it pretty much weekly. So I'm going to go ahead and show you as well. So coffee jazz, if you go ahead and search coffee jazz, you can check out and see there's these channels here. This channel has 3.7 million subscribers. This one has 1.14 million subscribers. I mean, there's a lot here. If you see right here too, this is a little indicator called VPH, or videos per hour, featured by VidIQ. I have a link to it. It's gonna help you, check out the analytics of a lot of videos from your own videos as well as other people's videos, and gives you an idea of how you can improve as a YouTuber, and also to see kind of what the competition's doing, kind of see how you can modify and improve your strategy. So that's a little indicator there. But the point is, this one's getting 902 views per hour. That's a lot of views. And that's just, streamed a day ago, 28,000 views. But guys, the point of the matter is you can get by and get sales on products, as well as being able to get Google ad revenue from AdSense once you're able to be monetized on YouTube. So that's something to keep in mind. But let's go ahead and check this one out real quick. This one has got 3.7 million views. I'm gonna go ahead and mute the audio just for the time being. As you can see, they have ads on their video right here. So that means that they are earning some form of income off of these ads, as they definitely have enough subscribers to do so. I want to go ahead and go to this tool called Social Blade. Social Blade is basically a tool that marketers use, and as well as people like you and I, to kind of verify and see what different channels analytics look like. So you can go ahead over here to Social Blade. We're gonna go ahead and paste the username of Cafe Music BGM channel. We're gonna hit search, and you're gonna go ahead and see some of this data here. So this data is kind of, this is a rough estimate, okay? And from what I've seen in my own research, a lot of it's very accurate. This is showing you that this channel, Cafe Music BGM channel, makes anywhere between $2.7 thousand to $42.8 thousand a month. This is insane. This is their estimated monthly earnings. And if that's just on their Google AdSense, I mean, that's insane. Not to mention, if they were smart, really smart, they would start promoting some products in their description of their YouTube channel. So as you can see here, let's take a look and see what they've done. They have their Spotify link here. There's a lot of links to their music. So that obviously, if you get streams, things like that, that will help add up to some revenue for you if you're doing it the correct way. The one thing I'll say is they're not promoting a product per se that I can tell here. One way you could really amplify, or they could really amplify their earnings, is by going to a platform such as Digistore24 and finding something in this platform, guys, to drop a link in the description. This is if you're not familiar with Digistore24, it is an affiliate marketplace, and they have product sellers, as well as you being able to be an affiliate yourself to make commissions on other products and services that are being sold on Digistore24. and they'll pay you via PayPal. Now, here's an example, guys, of like what they could do if they were gonna try to, promote an affiliate product. As we know, this is a music channel. They're playing some form of jazz music. I'm not playing it because I don't want to have copyright strike or anything with it. But the point is, they're playing some form of jazz music. Most jazz music, has some form of, instrumentals, obviously. Well, this one right here is called Piano Mastery. So what they could do is they could go ahead and drop this link. They can click this promote now button, and it would actually generate you a hop link. Drop that link in your YouTube channel description, and they could actually be earning potentially $15 commission per sale. And as you can see, as we mentioned, these guys have a crazy amount of views. I mean, this view right now, this is like a live. This has started streaming 8 hours ago, but this has got 3,800 views. Okay, now let's go back real quick to YouTube really fast. I want to go ahead and click on their channel one more time. Where's the channel? Click here, and you can go to videos and you can click on popular. Okay, and you can start seeing here, this one has 91 million views. Okay, imagine if they had a link in the description for that product, okay, right here, and there's 91 million views. All right, imagine if even 1% of 91 million, okay, was starting to buy this product. That's money. Okay, that's some big money. Okay, and so let's do the math really quick. So let's go ahead and get our little calculator out here. 91 million, okay, a lot of zeros, times 0.01. That's 910,000 people that would have bought this product in this scenario. This is very, very conservative. 1%, okay? Let's just say that they actually genuinely earned $15 per sale, okay? So let's do 910,000 times $15. That is $13,650,000. That is insane. Okay, this is just a hypothetical, but the point of the matter is, guys, is like, if you have a channel on YouTube that's doing well and you could earn passive income like that over time, I mean, imagine over 5 years, let's say they earn that much over 5 years. Do you know how much kind of money that would be and how much impact that would be on someone's life? I mean, it's insane, right? So the potential is there for you guys, and it doesn't have to just be a music channel. It can be anything, but let's just say these guys forget about the affiliate program. Okay, so let's say that they were earning their low end here, estimated monthly earnings of $2,700. Times that by 12 months in a year, that's $32.4 thousand a year. That's low, but the fact is, what could you do with an extra $32,000 a year? Like an extra $32,000 a year. Imagine, let's say they do it at their top end, $42,800. Times that by 12. That is $513,600 a year. So these guys here alone on an estimated scale could be earning anywhere between $32,000 extra per year, all the way up to over 500,000 per year off of YouTube, okay? And that's posting videos. These guys have some nice backgrounds. You guys can make backgrounds like this on Canva. Canva is a software you can use. You can hire people on FIVERR. There's all sorts of stuff you could do here. There's fiverr.com. You can go ahead and hire a freelancer to do some video thumbnails for you. Let's type in thumbnails. Go ahead and click on that, and you can have these guys make you YouTube thumbnails for like 20 bucks a pop, or whatever their plans are. I mean, this is very affordable thing you can do. And I have a link to FIVERR in the description here if you want to check them out. There's tons of different freelancers on here who can help you out, get your project started. But just imagine you hire somebody on FIVERR to do your thumbnails for you. You can even hire somebody on FIVERR to do video editing. Okay, this is time saving for you. So all you got to do is literally come up with the music that you want on like a website like Epidemic Sound, and then you can have this person can video edit for you for like $10. Okay, this is just some ideas here. and you can really automate this for yourself. You could go to a site like Epidemic Sound and you can find some royalty-free music if you have a subscription. Obviously, for something like that, I'd probably pick like a commercial subscription. That way you can do multiple channels and have tons of different music and uses for this, not just on one channel. You can whitelist the music so that you're not getting copyright strikes from Epidemic or anyone else. You can have this in your videos that you do for any type of video you're interested in, like background music. You can have it in playlists like we showed you here, like the BGM channel. And there's a way for you guys to make money online. It's not like it's not possible. And also, if you're interested in any royalty-free music, check the link in the description for that. Like I said, guys, I'm doing literally exactly what I'm trying to teach you guys here. I'm trying to be transparent about it. There's links in the description for a lot of these products and services that I'm talking to you about. And if you guys use those services, I will earn a commission from it. And so it's not any extra cost to you, but it does help the channel so I can help provide more and more video content for you guys. But the point of the matter is these are ways you can start making passive income. Another one, ClickFunnels. If you guys are looking to build any kind of e-commerce website, if you're trying to build a blog, if you're trying to do anything like that when it comes to online sales, I trust ClickFunnels personally. I've been using them for multiple years, okay? And these guys, they have an affiliate program. They pay every month on time. So if you're even not wanting to use ClickFunnels, you can still promote ClickFunnels to other people and you can earn a commission from that, recurring commission, okay? And ClickFunnels, I'm telling you, I've used Wix, I've used a bunch of the other ones. This one works. They have good customer service. They have good customer support if there's something wrong with your funnel that you're building yourself. Or you guys can go to FIVERR and have somebody build you a website. You can do type in ClickFunnels website. Okay, go ahead and click that, and you can go ahead and have somebody build you a ClickFunnel, okay, using the ClickFunnels platform at a relatively cheap price, and you can start making online sales. There are endless opportunities here. Right now, ClickFunnels 2.0 is actually their upgraded version. That's what I'm using for certain things and projects that I've got going on. You can also go ahead and use ClickFunnels Pro is the one I'm on. It gives you one site and then it gives you 100 funnels, and that will give you a crazy amount of things you can do. And if you're not familiar with funnels, we'll get into more of that in another video, but it's basically like a landing page, and that's what you're seeing here. It's a landing page providing you some form of offer with some form of testimonials. It's showing you what is a funnel, why a funnel. It's trying to sell you an idea or a product or service and give you the incentive to buy. It's like one-way selling. And so if you're not in front of the person to like explain why this product or service is so great, a funnel is designed to basically be that one-way communication to them, giving them all the information that they would need to make an educated buying decision, so that there's little to no reason why they shouldn't buy. And it answers their questions, because a confused buyer will not buy. It's just proof. I know I've been in marketing and sales for years. A confused buyer will not buy. So if you give them the information they need up front, make the educated decision, help save you in the long run, and you can start really optimizing and getting more and more sales in an automated fashion, especially if you're doing, like I said, e-commerce, if you're doing coaching, consulting, if you're a fitness coach, anything, man, you can do with ClickFunnels. You can make online courses, blogs, e-commerce stores. There's automations in there for email flow, all sorts of stuff. And if that's above, your pay grade or whatever, you don't want to worry about that. Get somebody on FIVERR who knows about all of this stuff, okay? And you can get that automated for you, and you can start building a business in the background and start earning some money while you sleep. And that's the goal here. And so, saying all this to say, back to the original thing here, is YouTube is where it's at, okay? And if you can start building out a channel around something you like, hobbies, things like that, and you can start putting links in the description of your YouTube videos, you can start, if you sell your own product, for example, let's say you make, let's say you have a coffee brand, right? You have, you know, they have drop ship coffee companies out there. You can get white label coffee made for you, and you can have your own logo on it, all that stuff. Let's say they started putting coffee, you know, in their description. That's another income source, right? You can do tons of different stuff, and you can make a funnel with something like ClickFunnels, like I was showing you. And you can make that happen for yourself and get upsells and get, you know, multiple bags to buy, and that it gives the customer a discount, and that gives you a higher average cart order value. Okay, and so these are just things to think about. I'm throwing a lot of stuff at you. It's kind of like, you know, paint at the wall in this video, but the point of the matter is to really start getting you outside of that mindset of like, I have to work a 9-to-5 job to make money. Not the case anymore. It's 2023, and so I'm trying to give you guys some ideas on how to make some money online. So the point of the matter is, guys, I want you to get out there and start looking and researching some channels that are interesting to you, kind of see like how they're going about it, if they're successful, and start thinking about what can you do to make it better than them, and also take the opportunity to figure out what's your likes, what's your hobbies, and how can we monetize those passions so that you can stop your 9-to-5 and start a new life pursuing financial freedom. Appreciate you being here. Go ahead. This is not financial advice, by the way. This is just my opinion, and also, you know, education and entertainment purposes. But I wanted to go ahead and share this information with you because I'm very passionate about the online money making methods out there. I'm passionate about not having to work for someone else. I've done it, hated it. I've run my own marketing agency. I've done a lot of different things. I've done YouTube. I've been paid for brand deals on YouTube, TikTok. I know a lot of stuff, and I'm trying to share that knowledge, and I've done a lot of stuff. I'm not just a teacher who's never done it. Like, I've done a lot of things. And so that's the difference with this channel. Not to mention, we do cover things like stocks, crypto, trends in the market right now, how to make money online in general. So I'll show a lot of this stuff for you guys as the coming videos and coming months and years to come. So I appreciate you guys. Hit the like and subscribe button, and check out some of the links in the description for any of the things that I mentioned in this video that would benefit you to get you started on your journey, and turn on notifications so that you can see the next videos. And I appreciate you guys for watching, and remember, be alpha.